Hey, my name is Mark Harvey, and in this video I'm going to talk to you how sex, yeah that's right, sex made me a multi-millionaire. So some of you, you're probably thinking, this guy's crazy. What is he talking about? What has sex got to do with making money or being happy in life or achieving any kind of goal, right? Well, listen, if you watch this video all the way through and you get the point that I'm trying to make here, you will discover that you already have this power as well to get whatever it is that you want in life. And you can use this as your goal achieving mechanism. So put it in the comments, let me know any questions that you got. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like it, and also turn on the notifications bell. So how can sex make you successful, happy at anything? So I think you're going to relate to this process very deeply, because what I'm talking about here is most people, when they're wanting to invest in property, start their own business, get a pay rise, climb up the corporate ladder, whatever, I don't know what your goals are, but what people do is they're focusing on this goal. I want to have the car, I want to buy the watch, I want to go on holiday, I can't wait till Christmas, I can't wait to be Christmas to be over, and all of this journey that they go through is always like lack and always like wanting something different. Now here's the thing, if like the pursuit of the goal, you're gonna like grind yourself into the ground, how is that gonna help you? Like, you know, people are like, oh, once I have the reward, then I'll be happy, or then I'll feel better, or then I'll feel more secure once I have a home, or something like that. Where ultimately what you got to do, guys, is enjoy the journey. Now this is exactly how sex helped me become a multi-millionaire and build many successful businesses from scratch to multi-million-pound global organizations, to be able to invest in property, to be able to live the life of my dreams, do what I want, travel where I wanted, and all of this good stuff. I'm not saying any of that stuff to impress you, but here is the key. Are you ready? The key is this. Look, you got to see that the goal or the result that you want, whether it is a multi-million-pound company, whether it's £1 million in your bank account, whether it's to build a multi-million-pound property portfolio, have a certain amount of cash flow in your pocket, have the relationship of your dreams, have children, whatever that goal is, yeah, that goal is like the orgasm, my friend. Yeah, and what it is, are you going into sex saying, oh right, come on, let's get to this orgasm, let's get to the end result here as quickly as possible? Is that what you're doing? I mean, put it in the comments, let me know what you're thinking here. Because really, what I'm sure that you may be doing, just like I do, is you enjoy the process. You love the hunt. You love the game. You know, so like, I don't know, when you're young, you used to go out to pubs or nightclubs or however dating is done these days. You love that pursuit. It's the enjoyment, it's the imagination, it's the anticipation of being able to get to the point where you can have that loving connection, and you can do that. And that's why sex, or you might want to call it making love, is a great teacher. Let's call it, it's the teacher, because it teaches you, if you pay attention to it, and the cycle of this, that the end goal, the end result is not like, oh, when I get to the end result, yeah, when I have the orgasm, then I'm going to be happy. You enjoy the process as you're going through it. And if you can do this, and you can learn to do this in any goal that you are in pursuit of, whatever that may be, you might want a new car, you might want a house, you might want a new job, you might want to start the business of your dreams because you're really passionate about it. If you enjoy the journey and all the stages, so like a lot of people in property investing, they're like, I want to get my new house, I need to raise this many thousand from investors, I want to have 10k cash flow, 2k cash flow, I want to quit my job, like whatever it may be. You've got to enjoy the journey, and you've got to be connected to it all. You know, because isn't that what's happening when you're having sex? You're connecting. This is what I'm talking about. This is how the process of sex made me a multi-millionaire, and has helped me in businesses, has helped me in pursuing goals, and helped me in being able to live in the house of my dreams and do the things that I'm passionate about and do it with purpose. It also actually as well has unlocked unlimited power and unlimited potential. So now I don't just do this for myself and my family. I want to help as many of you as possible to find passion, fulfillment, tap into that unlimited. It really is unlimited power and potential as well. So you can have, be, and do anything you desire or you feel that is your calling. Because again, why most people quit or most people don't give it their all is because they see that I'll only be happy or I'll only be fulfilled when I get to that orgasm, that end goal, that result. Hey guys, you got to enjoy the party, enjoy the show, enjoy the ride. And when you do that, I mean, look, I don't like certain things and certain aspects of my business or my job or like things that I have to get done, you know, clean my house, all of this stuff. But you know what? I got to turn it around and I've got to enjoy the party. You know, we can't just say, hey, when lockdown is finished, then, you know, we're back to normal, then I can start having fun because I can start going out. This is a process, this is a journey. And there is going to be, and there always is, a light at the end of the tunnel. And there always is, maybe not always, but most of the time, there is an orgasm at the end of the sex. So you got to enjoy that process in the pursuit for that end goal and that result. Hey, I hope you enjoyed this video and I hope it's gave you some insight now. And if you're going to take any point away from this video, make sure that you enjoy yourself, that you are happy, that you be happy, you be fulfilled, you act with that passion and that love and that excitement every single day, every single step of the journey. Because when you do that, then things come to you quicker anyway. You can have that passion, that love, you can get that car, you can build that wealth, however it is that you want to do it. So don't forget to subscribe to this channel, turn on the notifications bell, put any comments. I'm interested to hear what you have to say on this subject. And above all, do never, never, ever forget that you got to do the right thing for the right reason, because that's the only way you're going to discover your true potential.